Okay, hello everyone. This video is about Vauxhall or Opel Astra's common rattles in the passenger side speaker area. So probably most of you have noticed some annoying rattle during the bassy music or just some old city driving and so on. So basically rattle sounds like this. You should be able to hear it. So there are two common rattle points. One point is intersection of those two plastic pieces. So I don't know if it fits. So you can see there are those pieces are two separate pieces. So basically during some bassy music it just rattles one against another one. So we have one point, and other point is this plastic which goes from here to the metal side. So there's also some gap between them, and it rattles from time to time. You can hear it. See, rattle is at this point. The rattle is coming from here, and it's not coming from there. This rattle usually goes when there's some bassy music. This rattle comes in when there's some old city driving. There are several points of fixing it. For me, I'm using these black things. I don't know how they're even called in my language, so please don't ask me how they're called. They're used to put under the furniture, under the chairs and so on. So basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting them in half and then sticking them between those two plastic parts deep inside this area, and I'm sticking two of them somewhere around this area because the gap is widest here, and another one point goes somewhere around here. So I've tried it with some other materials, so I'm trying this time with this, and yes, it fixed my problem. So I hope this will look more better, because my previous material was white, so it stood out a bit. Okay, so thank you for watching.